In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Chat GPT. By the end, you will be able to ask questions and get answers on your own device. You can use Chat GPT on a computer, an Android phone, or an iPhone. On some devices and in some regions, you might see an option to try Chat GPT without creating an account. If you see that, you can explore a little first, then still follow along with these steps when you want your own saved chats. We will focus on Android here. Open the Google Play Store. Look for the multicolored triangle icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. When the Play Store opens, you should see a search bar at the top and different app suggestions below it, which lets you know you are in the right place. Now tap on the search bar at the top and search for Chat GPT. Type the words chat and GPT with a space in between. As you type, suggestions may appear under the bar. Choose the one that simply says Chat GPT to avoid similar sounding apps from other companies. From the search results, install the official Chat GPT app from OpenAI. You will recognize it by the green and white knot-shaped logo and the developer name OpenAI listed under the title. Tap Install and wait while the download bar completes. Once the install finishes, the button will change to Open, which confirms it is ready. With the app installed, open the app. You can tap Open right there in the Play Store or find the new Chat GPT icon in your app list. When it launches, you will see the logo on a splash screen, then a simple welcome screen with some text about what ChatGPT can do. That means the app loaded correctly. Next, tap Sign Up or Log In. These buttons are usually at the bottom of the screen. Sign Up is for creating a new account, and Log In is for using an account you already have. Tapping either button will move you to the next screen instantly. From here, follow the on-screen instructions. Each screen will tell you exactly what is needed, such as entering an email, setting a password, or confirming your account. Take a moment to read each message before you tap Continue, so you do not skip anything. Once finished, you will land on the main ChatGPT chat screen, which has a large text box at the bottom. At this point, start a new chat. In many cases, a fresh account opens directly to a new chat, with some example prompts in the middle of the screen. If you see an option to start or new chat in a corner, you can tap that later whenever you want a blank conversation. Now, type your question into the text box at the bottom of the screen. You can ask something simple, like help writing an email, or something specific, like explain a science topic. The gray placeholder text disappears as soon as you start typing, and your words appear in a small bubble. Finally, tap Send. On most phones, this is a paper plane icon next to the text box. As soon as you tap it, your message moves into the conversation, and a typing indicator shows that ChatGPT is generating a reply. You have now set up ChatGPT on your Android phone and sent your first question, so you can start exploring what it can help you with. If this walkthrough made getting started easier, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more simple guides like this.